Hi, my name is Daniele Massacesi, sales engineer of PROEL SpA, Italian company. We are here in ISE 2016 to show a new product about voice alarm systems. Our new product is AE300, and its particularity is because it's a fully integrated voice alarm system, and let's say really true entry level, because it's all-in-one product that doesn't need particularly knowledge, doesn't need training, doesn't need complicated software to be programmed and set. This system is fully made in Italy, produced in our headquarters, and as you can see, I can show you the internal part. It's fully integrated in all the main parts of an evacuation system, voice evacuation system. So you can see here batteries, the control of the temperature, all the dialogue between the UPS control board and the batteries is all integrated and fully complying the rules about such products. This is the firefighter microphone, which is having the biggest priority on everything. You can find here the buttons to launch the messages of evacuation or pre-alarm messages, and all the outputs are the two outputs, sorry, because we have a backup line. Backup line is based on only one zone solution. This is so because this is intentionally so because we wanted to offer a solution, a product that doesn't need to be programmed, and so the best solution is to have only one zone management. It's a 300 watt amplifier on board, 100 volt standard. All the system is complying the AN 5416 and AN 544 certifications. For more information, please visit our website at proel.com. Thank you.